Okay. Last week I have given some homework to you. Have you all completed? Say your answers. Have you all completed the homework? Can anyone tell me how many questions I have given as a homework? Okay, dear students, let me share the answer for the question. Everyone, please check whether your answer is right or wrong. So let me share the answers right now. Okay, so see the answer and note it down the answer. If it is already correct, no issues. If you done the answers little mistake, or else if you make any minor mistakes while doing the calculation, please note it down the answer. So let me share the screen. So please look at the question and then write the answers. Could you see the questions and answers? Send the message. Okay. These are the homeworks I have given last week. Am I right? Please note it down the answers. So very good. Aditya Kumar send a reply. He got all answers are correct. Good. So if all your answers are correct, send the message. All my answers are correct, sir. Ritika check. Satya Maumitha, one answer is wrong. Yashwant Rishi, I'm right, sir. Good. Fully correct, sir. Darshana, very good. Sanjay, all correct, sir. Good. See, everyone, Please take the screenshot of these answers. Everyone, take the screenshot of these answers. If you take the screenshot, it will be easy for me to discuss the next concept. Achaya, fully correct, sir. Good. Okay, dear students, have you all taken the screenshot of the answers? Please reply yes. If no, please mention no. Very good. So let me begin my classes. Once again, good morning to everyone, dear students. So we have discussed about a small recap. So far, we have discussed about types of numbers, fractions, shortcut in mathematics, some brain teasers questions, and exercise questions also. So today we are going to discuss the remaining questions from the exercise. So within this week, I will complete the first exercise, and the next week, the board is blurring. 1 minute. Okay, dear students, now we are going to discuss the next question. Some part of the portion is blinded by sunlight. Is it okay now? Good. Now, So next question, express 1729. This is question number 7. Express 1279 as sum of cubes of two natural numbers. Sum of cube of two natural numbers in two different ways. In two different ways. Yes. So everyone, please write the questions and then start to find the answer for this question. Express 1729 as sum of cubes of two natural numbers in two different ways. This is a question for you. Yes, 1 by wrote the correct answer. 10 cube plus 9 cube is equal to 1729. Very good. So 10 cube. What is 10 cube? 10 into 10 into 10, 1000. 9 into 9 into 9, how much? 729. So the answer is 1729. So the answer is 1729. Okay. So answer is 1729. So express 1729 as sum of cubes of two natural numbers. So here sum of cubes of two natural numbers, here we have written. Another one format. 12 cube plus 1 cube is equal to 1729. What is the value of 12 cube? 1728. How you are saying 1728 is for answer? 12 12s are 144. 144 into 12. 4 2s are 8. 8. This is your 2. 4 4 1. 8 2 1. 1728. So 1728 plus 1 is equal to 1729. Okay. So we can say very clearly 10 cube plus 9 cubes equal to 1729. Can you see the board? Can you see the board? Replay. Yes, if you can see the board, means some students are sending the message. They are not able to see the board properly. Can you see the board? See, dear students, some students are facing issues with not seeing the board. Zoom your screen, pa. Just zoom your screen. If you zoom your screen, these letters will be visible for you. Tanishka, you just zoom your screen. So 1728 plus 1 is equal to 1729. Okay. See, let me explain. Some students are saying, sir, we are not able to understand the question. One more time. Express 1729 as sum of cubes of two natural numbers. Sum of cubes of two natural numbers. Cubes means we know very well. Cubes of 2. 2 into 2 into 2. What is cube of 10? 10 into 10 into 10. What is cube of 9? 9 into 9 into 9. So, what is the condition? You have to cube two natural numbers. If you add up the two cubes of the natural numbers, you should get the answer as 1729. Okay. So we can write 1729 is equal to 10 cube plus 9 cube. This is one answer. Second answer, 1729, we can write it as in the form of 12 cube plus 1 cube. 12 into 12 into 12 plus 1 into 1 into 1, you will get the answer as 1729. So these numbers are called Ramanujan number. The 7728 is okay. So this 1729 is called Ramanujan number. So he is the mathematician. He is our Indian mathematician who found this number is having two separate sum of the cubes. 10 cube plus 9 cube is 1729 and 1729 is equal to 12 cube plus 1 cube. So he found this format. Okay. So that's why this number is called as Ramanujan number. He is our Indian mathematician. So after you completed this question, you please send a message completed, sir. Then I can move to the next question. Good. So it's the time to discuss the next question. I'm going to rub the board. Most of the students have completed. I have got responses from them. So I'm going to rub the board. Next, question number 8. Question number 8. By what least number should 180 So by what least number should 180 be divided to get a perfect square? To get a perfect square. Find the perfect square number so obtained. Also find its square root. Also find its square root. So copy this question fast. By what least number should 180 be divided to get a perfect square? Find the perfect square number so obtained. Also find its square root. Good. Hope most of the students completed this question. I'm going to discuss the answers right now. Pay your attention towards the board. Don't deviate among yourself. Look at the board. 180. So I'm going to find out the answer. Or let me write the solution. 180. So how can we write 180 in prime factorization method? 2, 90, 2, 45, 3 table. Okay. It will go by 3 table. 1 3 is 3, 5 3 is 15. Again it will go by 3 table. 5 3 is 15. Correct? Good. So we can write 180 is equal to. We can write 180 is equal to 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 5. Okay. So 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 5 is equal to 128. So this is the prime factorization of 128. And everyone knows very well by what least number should be divided to get perfect square. Okay. So you need to get a perfect square number. Okay. Which number you will divide means you will get a perfect square. See here. 2 into 2. 2 is repeated 2 times. 3 into 3. 3 is also repeated 2 times. Hope you remember last week I discussed about how to find out the square root of a number. So By using factorization method, if you want to find out the square root of a number, so inside the square root, if two numbers are repeated twice, suppose let me write here, square root of 3 into 3, answer is 3, because this 3 is repeated twice, multiplying twice. So that's why, so I wrote the answer as 3. Got the point? So I wrote the answer as 3. Similarly, if you want to get 180, okay, so if you want to get some number as a perfect square, that number should be repeated twice. Two is repeated twice, 3 is repeated twice, 5 is not repeated. So only one time 5 is there. So what we have to do? We have to divide that number by 5. Okay. So we have to divide this number by 5. Got the point? Okay, so the answer for the first question is, what least number should 180 by divided to get perfect square? Okay, so please note down the answer. We should divide by 5 to get perfect square. Our answers are not over, so we have to find out the another one answer also. We should divide by 5 to get perfect square, because 5 is not repeated twice. So let me rough this part. So next question, they ask, what is a perfect square so obtained? So perfect square obtained is equal to 180 divided by which number we should divide? By 5. Okay, so we will get the answer as, what is 180 by 5? Anyone say what is 180 by 5? Rashmi, 180 by 5 is 36, not 38. Aditya Kumar, 36. Good. So 180 by 5 is equal to 36. Okay. So 180 by 5 is equal to 36. Now, the answer is very simple. So our perfect square number so obtained is 36. 36 is your perfect square number? Yes. Why? 6 are 36. 6 are 36. Now, what is the last question? Also find its square root. They are asking us to find out the square root. Square root of 36 is equal to how we can write 36? We already know 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. So 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12, 12 3s are 36. Correct? You know very well how to find out the answer right now. 2 into 3, answer is 6. Answer is 6. Very good. So the answer for this question is 6. Yes, most of the answers are correct. Your answers are correct. So if you completed this question, please send your message completed, sir. So okay, dear students, most of the students have completed. I'm going to rub the board. Darshana can't be able to see the screen. Log out and then log in, you can see the screen. Now, next question. So we are going to discuss the next question. Next question. Question number 8. Now 8 is over 9. Question number 9. A car moves at a constant speed of 42.5 kilometer per hour. Find the distance it would cover in 3.5 hours. So this is the question for you. A car moves at a constant speed of 42.5 kilometers per hour. Find the distance it would cover in 3.5 hours. Could you able to see the question properly? Okay, Achaya. Good. Now, start to find the answer for this question. So, read the question very carefully. A car moves at a constant speed of 42.5 kilometers per hour. Find the distance it would cover in 3.5 hours. Cover in 3.5 hours. Most of your answers are correct. 148.5. This is 0.5 only. 148.75. Good. Solution. Most of your answers are correct. So let me explain the answer. What is your speed? 42.5 kilometers per hour. What is your time? 3.5 hours. Okay. What is your distance? So distance is equal to speed into time. What is our speed? 42.5. What is our time? 3.5 is equal to 425 35. So let's multiply this. 5 5s are 25, 2 5s are 10, 12, 2, 1, 20, 21. So 2, 1, 2, 5, 3 5s are 15, 1, 3 2s are 6, 7, 12. Here you will get 5, 7, 8, 4, 1. So 148. Since we have one decimal point in this number and one decimal point in the number, so in our results we have to keep two decimal points here. One decimal points, we have to write the number 75. So 148.75. So we have to get two decimal numbers. So 148.75 is the answer for the question. Very important, kilometer must to be written. So 148.75 kilometer is the right answer. So please note it down fast. After you completed this, please send a message completed, sir. Hope most of the students have completed this. I'm going to rub the board. So now, dear students, we are going to learn one math trick. So I just want to recall one small concept. So instead of recalling that, let me ask you the question directly. 14 into 99. Reply the answer within 5 seconds. 14 into 99. I taught you this trick last week. Take the answer fastly. Yes. Okay, first we have to subtract 1 from this number, 13. Then 1 plus 9 is 1 plus 8 is 9. Then 3 plus 6 is 9. Answer is 1386. That's all. Okay, so this trick we have already learned it. Okay, I am going to teach you one more trick today. So I need your attention towards the board. 153 into 11. Say the answer within 4 seconds or else within 10 seconds. Say the answer 153 into 11. Shreya replied the answer 1983. Someone sent the message 1683. So most of the students replied the answer as 1683. Okay, I am going to teach you how to find out the answer for any number multiplying with 11 in a tricky way. First, see the last number 3. Step number 1, see the last number. Here 3 is there. Write the last number as it like. No need to change the last number, last digit. Write 3 digit as it like. Then next, see the number before this last digit 5. What is 5 plus 3? 8. Write 8 here. Okay. What is 1 plus 5? 6. Write 6 as like it. Then what is the first digit? 1. So answer is 1683. So this is last digit. The same. And this is the first digit. The same. Okay. So we have to do the addition for this in between numbers. 5 plus 3, 1 plus 5. That's it. Okay. So next, 1 or else 243 into 11. 243 into 11. Write the last number 3. Then 4 plus 3, 7. Then 2 plus 4, 6. and write the first number as like 2673 is your answer. Over. Did you all understand this? 2673. Sir, I cannot understand the trick, sir. Okay, don't worry. I'm going to explain one more time. So let me write the number over here. 42 into 11. 42 into 11. See the last number 2. Write the number as it like 2. No need to change the last number. Then see the number which is before the last number 4. 4 plus 2, 6. Then write the first number as it like. So answer is 4, 6. So for your better understanding, one more explanation. 1475 into 11. 1475 into 11. So this sum is little different than the previous questions we have discussed. Definitely write the last number as it like 5. Again, Joalin Lenny, I cannot understand, sir. Don't worry, pay your attention very properly. Most of the students understood. Definitely you can also understand. Write the number 5 as it like. Okay. After that, what is 7 plus 5? 7 plus 5. Okay. 7 plus 5, you will get 12. But we have to write only the unit digit of the answer, 2. Okay. Carry over 1. So before these questions and all, so we have added up 5 plus 3, we got only one digit as the answer. But here 7 plus 5, we will get 12. Okay, so 12 means we have to write 1, carry over 1. Okay, next 4 plus 7. What is 4 plus 7? 11. 4 plus 7 is 11. But already carry over 1 is there. Then 11 plus 1, 12. Again, carry over 1 is there. Now, 1 plus 4, 5. 1 plus 4, 5. Already carry over 1 is there. Then 6. Then write the first number as it like. This is the answer for this question. 16225. 16225. Hope you understood how to find out the answer. Don't worry, I will explain one more model like this and then I will give you some questions. So one more time. 123 into 11. Write the last number 3. Then add up 2 plus 3. 2 plus 3 is 5. Then add up 1 plus 2, 3. Write the first number 1353 over. Next, 1264 into 11. 1264 into 11. Write the last number as it like 4. Then added up the last number with the previous one. 4 plus 6, 10. We have got 2-digit number. Put 0. Keep 1 outside. Again 6 plus 2, 8. Already carry over number 1 is there. Then 9. 2 plus 1, 3. Write the first number as it like 13904. This is the answer for the question. Do you all understand very clearly this method? Any number multiplied with 11? Okay. So most of the students are responded yes. So then I understood myself. Most of the students understood very clearly. No doubts, sir. Good Akshay from Neyveli. Yes, I'm going to rub the board right now. Yes, practice question for you. Practice question for you. 99 trick. One student asked me 99 trick. It was already completed last week. So see the last week videos. So you will understand very clearly. So question number 1. 3, 4, 5 into 11. Question number 2. 1, 2, 7 into 11. Question number 3. 1.23 into 1.1. 1.23 into 1.1. So for this question, you forget about the decimal point first initially. So after you found the answer, please keep the decimal point. You will get the answer very easily. Yes, I'll give you only 1 minute time. Complete all 3 answers and then send the answers. Someone sent the answer for the first question is 3795. So let me write over here. After I will check it out. You see whether your answer is right or wrong. Most of the students replied 3795 is the answer for the first question. Yes, now start to answer for the second question. Someone sent the answer for this third question is, second question is 1397. Someone sent the answer for the second question is 1397. Then what about the answer for the third question? $1.353. Someone sent the answer for the third question is 1.353. So let me check the answers. Let me check the answers. The answer for the first question is 5973. 3795 is the right answer for the question. So this answer is correct. Second question, 7931. 1397 is the right answer. Good. 1397 is the right answer. Then next question, you forgot about the decimal. Later on, we will keep the decimal point. Then 3, 5, 3, 1. We have to leave 3 numbers from the right side to keep the decimal point. 3, 5, 3, because here after decimal point 2 numbers are there. After decimal point 1 number is there. So in our resultant answer, after this decimal point 3 numbers should be there. So that's why we wrote 353. Okay. Yes. So please use this shortcut method whenever you supposed to use during your calculation in mathematics. So then you will never forget. So like that, I have a lot of tricks to explain to you. So in your next classes, I will explain to you. Let me discuss one more questions from exercise and then we will wind up the session today. And last week I assigned worksheets for you. For 7th standard, I assigned some worksheets and your coordinator also shared the screen to you. Most of the students completed, but some students didn't open the worksheets at all. So this week, try to get your username and the password from the coordinator. And today around the 2 o'clock classes, you will get what is the assignment for the upcoming week. So please try to take the worksheets very properly. So I have all your marks with me. Okay, whomever took the worksheets. Okay, so those marks are there with me. I will forward that marks to your parents after some day. Good. So next question. A table costs rupees 1,240. Ram bought 12 such tables for his restaurant. For each table, the shopkeeper gives a discount of rupees 25. How much Ram has to pay now? How much Ram has to pay now? Second question. How much discount did he get? How much discount did he get? So everyone write this question fast. Some students send the correct answer. 14,580. It is correct. 14,580 is the correct answer. Satya sent the right answer. Sarve sent the right answer. Sarve Shaba. $14,580. Very good. Okay, so let's see the solution. So how much Ram has to pay now? A table cost rupees 1,240. Ram bought 12 such tables to his restaurant. For each table, the shopkeeper gives a discount of rupees 25. How much Ram has to pay now? Very simple. For each table, Ram has to pay. For each table, Ram has to pay is equal to. So after discount, that is very important. For each table, Ram has to pay. That is after discount is rupees 1240 minus 25. That is rupees 1215. So this is 1215. For each table, he has got 25 rupees discount. Then we are subtracting 25 rupees from 1240. So for each table, he has to pay rupees 1250. Then therefore, what is 1215 into 12? What is 1215 into 12? So this is the total amount he has to pay for 12 chairs. So therefore, he has to pay rupees. This is 10, 1, 3, 2 2s are 4, 1 2 is 2, 5, 1, 2, 1, 0, 8, 5, 1, 4. So he has to pay 14,580 rupees for 12 tables. Okay, so therefore he has to pay rupees 14,580 rupees for 12 tables. Okay, what is the total discount he got it? Total discount for one chair he has got 25 rupees. Then 12 into 25. 12 into 25 is rupees 300. So 12 into 25 is rupees 300. So his discount is 300 and he has to pay rupees 14,580 for 12 chairs. So copy this fast. I will give you 3 sums as your homework today. You have to find out the answer. So let me rub the board here. Homework. Question number 1. Square root of 8281. Second question. Square root of 38, 3844. Square root of 3844. Third question. Cube root of 12,225. Cube root of 12,225. So these are the 3 questions you have to your homework. Actually, for these questions, you may not get the perfect cube. So let me try to give one perfect cube number. So change this number as 13125. So 13125, you will get the perfect cube number. Yes, you can leave. So thank you, dear students. Thank you for your cooperation. Okay, so next week I'll see you with good tricks, as well as we will discuss more questions on next week. So homework நல்லா பண்ணுங்க. அந்த அசைன்மெண்ட்ஸ் எல்லாம் ரொம்ப ப்ராப்பரா எடுத்துக்கணும். That is the most important thing. சரியா? Good. I'm going to wind up the meeting now. Thank you, dear students, once again.